no. Look out!
Little ones, time for your dinner. Come on, guys, it's feeding time. Come on. Hi, horsey. How are you doing? Are you ready to hear a secret? Sweet. Lylod! Oh my God!
Hello, Layla speaking.
Police department, how can I help you?
Please, you have to help me! My horse is being attacked by a python!
Okay, I'll be right there.
We've got a visual confirmation. We have to act now, but we have to be very careful.
We need a plan to safely remove the python.
Let's use the catch pole and tranquilizer.
Agreed. Let's move quickly.
The rescue team will go to the storeroom and get ready.
Pack your bags and get the rope.
Everything will be ready for the operation. Yes, let's go.
Okay, team, let's move out. Time is critical.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, we have a visual on the target. It appears to be a large animal in distress. Moving in for a closer look.
We're tracking the animal on the thermal camera now.
Copy that. Moving into position.
Let's be careful, that's a big one. I'll try to get the rope around its head. Let's try to distract the snake.
Good idea. Maybe we can then try to grab its tail.
And pull it.
Ah, get him off. Get him off.
Come on, pull. We almost got it. Okay, I got its head. You two pull the rest.
It's heavy. Pull harder.
Almost there, keep pulling.
I told you we were going to get him.
Yeah, we sure did. Get a hold of it. We need to secure its head.
I've got it. Be careful.
Okay, I'm gonna try and get him off. It's all right, fella. You're safe now.
Hold him steady. I'm almost done.
It's okay. Good job. She's okay, buddy. Let's get this thing in the bag before it gets angry. Just be careful with its head. Just calm down, boy, calm down. We're here to help you. How's it breathing now?
Much better. I think we can remove the mask.
Let's check for any injuries first. Okay, let's close it up. Okay, let's get these horses out of here.
Careful now, take it slow.
How is he doing today? Much better, thanks to you. Okay, just a little pinch. You're being a very brave boy.
Come on, let's go. Good boys.